All right, let's kick this off. Let's get to work. Where are we going to start at here, Josh?
We're going to start with Peter for this segment. Go ahead, Peter.
Hey, Larry, how are you?
We're doing great, Peter.
I've actually brought this to your shop, and they fixed it for a minute, but I had a 2014 Honda CRV, which is probably irrelevant. I have my key, the key fob, just, I don't know, out of nowhere, just started going crazy, and like I'd walk up to the car and it would unlock. I'd be in at work and my key would be close enough to the car. My server assistant would come out and say, "Hey man, your lights are on in your car."
Oh wow!
And I ended up sticking it. I took that key fob, I stuck it in a Mylar bag, and I took my spare key. I've had to jump this car 3 times in 5 days. I took my spare key, and now everything works perfectly. But now I'm afraid to take that key fob out of the bag, even to go take it to you to get it replaced. I don't know, and I always like to have a backup.
Yeah, well, I don't blame you. Now, is this a separate key fob, or is it actually integrated into the key itself?
No, it's integrated into the key.
Okay. Well, I mean, I would suggest just programming in a new key, and destroying that thing. Wrap it up.
Yeah, well, I'm going to bring it to you no matter what. So
it's
just one of those things.
Yeah, let's
probably order that from you, from JD, right? And
Let's just order a new key fob for it, and then once we get it, there's a programming procedure that we have to do in order to program that. But in the meantime, do not lose that key you got, because we're going to need that in order to get the information off of it in order to program the new one. So, yeah.
All right. I just wonder, do they get magnetized or never got wet or anything? I just wonder how on earth that thing just got a mind of its own.
Well, yeah, it's got a daggone a circuit board inside of it. Just like a computer system. I mean, it literally has. If it shorts out, it can emit the radio frequencies at the wrong time, unintended. I mean, it can do all kinds of crazy stuff. So, it's not normal they do that, but you've already proved beyond a shadow of a doubt that is your problem just by, keeping it away from the vehicle. But when you get one like that, I mean, causing, the alarms to activate and everything else in the car to stay up and running, even when you shut the vehicle off, and killing your battery. Now, you've definitely got a problem with it. But just give us a ring, Peter, and JD will get you one ordered up. And as soon as we get our hands on it, we'll have you come in. We'll go ahead and program that one to the car, and you should be off to the races. I do appreciate you hanging on as long as you did, and I'll tell JD to take extra good care of you. How's that?
Thanks for that. See you.
All right.